Look what came in the mail. Yes, it is the Knit Crate for February 2018. This is the members Knit Crate package. And I have to make a confession. I went online and looked at other podcasters who were opening it because curiosity killed the cat, and apparently it was getting to Katrina too. And I wanted to see what I was going to get. When it started running late, I was like chomping at the bit to see what was going to be. I do know it's going to be either blue or green or I think gray. I like all three colors, but I haven't seen, everybody that I've watched unbox it got the blue, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So let's see together what I got. So I have my handy dandy scissors here. Let me make sure I can shape this down. That would be really bad to cut the yarn in pieces. I think I need to sharpen my scissors. Okay, here we go. First thing, this is called Petrichor. And the color is either going to be verdant, which I'm thinking is probably green, like verdigris. So I'm thinking it is verdant is green, or raindrops, which is the blue, or mist, which is what I think would be gray. It is a glowing worsted, 40% merino, 30% silk, 30% alpaca. I've heard it's extremely soft. So let's see what the patterns look like that are going to go to it. Here is the crochet pattern. This is by Mariana Trench. Oh, it's called the Mariana Trench Scarf. It is by Vincent W. Green. And there is a picture of it. And it's pretty if I crocheted. That might be an option. And I'm thinking that this must be the one in the green. As you can see, it's kind of a tealy green. And then the knit design in the raindrop color is called the Raindrop Cow, and it is by Noelle Davis. And here is what it looks like, and there you can see the blue. So I don't know what the mist is. I'm just taking a wild guess that it would be gray. So let's see what we got. Oh, I can feel the yarn. It's extremely soft. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes so you guys actually can see it first. Oh, I got the green. Okay. I did not get the blue, which was gorgeous, but this is really pretty too. This is very, very similar to the color that I'm making my shawl in, which is this color, which looks blue here, but it's not. This is a deep turquoise, and this actually goes very well with it. Isn't that amazing? It doesn't look like it does, but in real life, not on camera, it does. So it is a deep turquoisey teal green. I wish teal showed up well on the camera. But this is extremely soft. So this is probably, I'm thinking the verdant. Yes, this is the verdant. It's a worsted weight. There's 149 yards, and I do have 2 skeins of it. So it's a very, very pretty green. And it kind of has like almost like some black undertones of some different tonal colors you can see in here, right in here. But this is extremely soft. So that is the Knit Crate for this month. Like I said, it's gorgeous. This is a Knitology yarn, which is the in-house brand for Knit Crate. And Knit Crate is a monthly subscription box. This subscription that I have always includes 2 skeins of yarn. A piece of fuzz went flying. It always includes 2 skeins of yarn, and it is for $24.99 a month, and that includes your shipping. So, yeah, this is really soft. This is going to be very cozy. So this will be a cowl. Yeah, not sure if I'm going to use the pattern that they included it with. which is this one here called Raindrop Cow. Not sure if I'm going to do that pattern or not, or if I'll just look for another pattern. I do have another idea for a pattern that I've been scoping out, so it might get made into that instead. So anyway, this is really pretty, really soft, and that is the February knit crate. If you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please do so and click the little red button down below. And I do have a weekly podcast. It's every Saturday. Although this week, this will be the third video because I did a yarn pairings where I paired some of my yarns together, what they were going to be and what projects they were going to be. So it was split between 2 videos. So for this week, you get 3 videos. And we do have a sock along going on my channel, and it ends the end of February. So if you have knit some socks between January and February and would like to enter, you can do so over on my Ravelry groups. I'll put the link down below, and you just have to post a picture and tell me something about the socks that you knitted. So there is that option. And I am also doing a knitting comparison right now. I'm knitting a pair of socks on DPNs, a pair of socks on 9-inch circulars, and 2 socks at a time, and then I'm comparing all 3 techniques to see if the tension is the same, what I thought about it, just kind of giving a general review. So if you'd like to tune in for that, that is on my Saturday podcast. And otherwise, I will see you again on Saturday. Thanks for watching.